In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call GCash customer service. Whether you're facing an issue with your account or simply have a question, knowing how to reach out to GCash can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting the GCash Help Center. This is the hub for all the tools and resources GCash provides to support its users. You can easily find it by searching for GCash Help Center in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a wealth of information to help you quickly navigate through the various concerns you might have. If you're not exactly sure where to start, you can head over to the section labeled Popular Searches. This is a really handy feature that highlights some of the most common issues or questions users have about GCash. Scanning through this section can often give you a quick answer or at least a direction to start in. Now, if your specific concern isn't highlighted in the popular searches, don't worry. You can simply use the search bar located within the Help Center. Just type in a keyword related to your issue or question. This will bring up articles and resources that might be exactly what you're searching for. Remember, a well thought out keyword can make a big difference in finding relevant results. Still can't find what you're looking for? No problem. Scroll further down the page and you'll find a Contact Us option. Clicking on this will provide detailed instructions on how to directly get in touch with the GCash support team. Sometimes a conversation is the best way to sort out a more complicated issue. Now, when it comes to contacting GCash customer service, you have a few options. For those with urgent issues such as scams or if you're having trouble accessing your account, you can call their hotline. If you're calling from a Globe or TM mobile number, dial 2882 for toll-free support. Alternatively, if you're using a landline or another service provider, you can reach them at 02-7213-9999 or the earlier number 02-7730-2882. But keep in mind that charges may apply. Generally, their customer service hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, but for urgent security concerns, a 24/7 service is available. If you prefer a less direct form of assistance, GCash has also developed a chatbot feature. Open your GCash app and tap on Profile, then Help, and select Chat with Gigi. This virtual assistant can guide you through troubleshooting and answer common questions, providing a convenient option for those who prefer instant, text-based interaction. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be fully equipped to reach out to GCash customer service effectively. This way, you can resolve any issues or get answers to your questions in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.